right out of Air Cargo Road. It's been, man, it's been a couple of years since I've been through here. I think I'm going to take the easy way away from the motorists. I usually ride along that bike shoulder, but these guys are jamming through here fast, so I'm gonna take the easy road, as they say. The wind's fighting me. This is the third runway to my left here. This whole area used to be filled with houses. They had to purchase them via eminent domain, I think. And in fact, I've had some customers, I don't want to call them clients, I think customers that I've spoken with, that had homes around here. They said, yeah, my house is buried under the third runway rubble. I thought that was interesting. You can't get away from the airplane noise here in Seattle. That's why it was so enjoyable. Such an enjoyment, excuse me, I should say, when we went over to the North Cascades. So quiet and peaceful. Just hear the occasional chatter of chipmunks, squirrel. That's about it. You can probably hear that landing buzz. That was like a small plane landing. So these big towers that I just passed have the neon lights, and then this wall on the left has some artwork on it too. Very cool. Oh, somebody took down a light pole there. Probably from a car accident coming around here too fast. Hopefully they made it. Didn't get hurt too much. Yeah, as you can see, this is a pathway or a bike lane less traveled. So you've got a couple of options. You can go on the road there with the cars, or you can certainly take this route that I am on. And I'm just gonna make a right turn onto Des Moines Memorial Drive. Oh, there's a walker. Thank you. Oh, got a bunker. Oh, it's not fun. Here we go. Back on the Memorial Drive. great summer so far. Yes, so I don't want to jinx it. This is definitely a better summer than last as far as R&R and extracurricular. I forgot to switch my Garmin back on. It's okay. There's a doggy walking his mama. Thank you. Black German Shepherd mixed up. Beautiful dog. Yeah, it's good to ride these roads here. Been a while. Oh, there's some root systems here. Bump. Okay, see if I can navigate my way through here. Gave me away, thank God. I wouldn't have stand a chance against a 1-ton sedan like that. How's that? How's that for a little noise pollution for you? I'm on your left. On your left, thanks. Sunset Park. Wait. Yeah, part of this ride was inspired by Cycle Around Japan. I don't know if any of you guys have seen that show. It's like Michael Rice, and I forget the names of the other riders. There's one's James, and there's another guy from Florida, Bobby, I think. And it's just a fun show that I've watched over a decade. I think that Michael Rice is pulling 45 now. He's definitely much younger than me, but he's an amazing athlete. And he's got the films to prove it. I think he's from Colorado. Alright, that's it for this ride, you guys. I'm gonna try and get back home. It's thank goodness mostly downhill from here. Oh, there's they're doing some road maintenance there, or some kind of road work. Oh, they've been dumping around here